Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my first Amazon unboxing of all the products that I got for my business. I know I am looking a hot mess, but don't mind me because with this whole quarantine, I'm in mommy mode all day, every day. So I know I'm looking crusty and dusty. Just ignore all that because I know I'm looking a hot mess. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Before we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So
go ahead and grab that bell so you can get our further next video. See you.
So here guys, first we've got our squeeze tubes, and I believe this is a pack of 22, and then it has 3 syringes in here. It's not the really big 60 ml squeeze tubes. These is only the 20 ml, but that will do the job. And then we have our bag of Versagel from TKB Trading. So they actually went up on the prices on these, but I was actually lucky to get it just when it was like, I want to say it was $7.95, but they recently went up to like $7 to $8.45, I think. But this is only the 5.5 ounce bag, so I'm gonna be ordering another one of these real soon. Okay, and then I have my my roller balls because I am going to be doing lip oils. So we have our roller balls. I'm just going to show you guys what's in here. I might have to stand up for it. So we've got 3 pipettes, and then we've got, how many is in here? 24. It comes in a pack of 24 roller balls, and then these are just the little stoppers. And then the tops. So that's good. So to start, I don't have to buy any extra pipettes right now or syringes because I do have some to start. So that's good. Okay, and then I've got my kitchen scale, because I want my lip glosses to be precise. I have a precise formula, and I just want to make sure that my lip glosses are on point every time. And by the way, can we just take a moment to appreciate my lip plumper? Me and my baby did this last night. Okay, so it comes with like a little giveaway card and then an instruction manual. And this is from Better World. And so here's the scale. This was actually a nice price. I think it was just shy of $9, I want to say. And I got this one because it can read the smallest grams at 0.01, I believe. So that's why I chose this one, but I just want to be able to scale out my Versagel and make sure, just make sure my formula is right every time, so the consistency of my lip glosses is always on point. That's very important to me. Because sometimes with doing this, sometimes you can have a good batch, and sometimes you won't, or then sometimes you just got to play around with it. I just want to be consistent. Okay, and last but not least, you guys, I have my glycerin. This is going to be good for the lips because it softens and moisturizes. It's going to add a nice shine to the lip gloss. So that's why I got that. I would have got it from TKB Trading, but when I placed my order, they wasn't sending out anything but gloss base. But as of 2 days ago, they recently changed it to where you can order other stuff, but I had already ordered it. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up. I hope to see you guys in my next video. And launch date is coming soon, so I hope that you guys will go ahead and subscribe to me over on my Shopify channel. And I will see you guys later.
Love, peace, Out.
That's gonna be our new one. You gonna say that every time?